Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can see the amount of time you spent on Facebook. To do this, open up your Facebook app. Now tap on the menu button at the bottom right. The icon will have the word menu and 3 lines above it. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and within the Preference section, tap on Your Time on Facebook. Then where it says See Your Time, tap on it to see time. This screen will then let you know how much time you spent on Facebook. Browse through the graphs to show different details of your time you spent on Facebook. Below the graphs, you can turn on Weekly Update to receive an update each week to see how you're managing your time on the Facebook app. And that is how to see the amount of time you spent on Facebook. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, and if you found this helpful, then please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.